What's the meaning of airtime? Airtime. 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 Airtime.
Airtime is a term commonly used in the telecommunications industry to describe the amount of time someone spends communicating via their phone or other wireless device. This includes talking on the phone, sending text messages, browsing the internet, or using data services. In essence, it refers to the period during which a user has a signal and can connect to their network operator's service. Airtime is crucial for mobile communications, and service providers often offer different packages at varying prices to ensure customers have access to their services for the required amount of time.